Stellantis is committed to transforming the automotive experience. That's why we're all in on ServiceNow.
What does it mean to go all in?
It means we've transformed and digitized processes across the world at Stellantis.
Streamlining processes, structuring the workflows through one portal.
When you let AI examine your data, you will discover ways of operating the business that you would not have imagined.
We have generative AI at a platform level because we want to encourage the global and widespread adoption of AI.
We are enabling every single employee.
And they're all in too.
They are faster.
They are more efficient,
More satisfied.
more innovative.
They are happier.
Happy is good.
With ServiceNow AI, we see it as a transformative partnership.
When you go all in, the impact is undeniable.
When all in works, the world works.